coming, and thank you for continuing to support these hunts. These ain't day in and day out field trials, these are spot hunts. And that's what we're trying to do, and I hope all y'all are happy with it. It's hard to make it all work right. I was tore all the pieces this morning, wished it went a little bit better, but I think it ended up pretty good. There's a lot of stuff we're doing today. The Eastern's on hand. We're going to have our business meeting after with membership meeting. And I wish any of y'all would join, or we can hang around with us on that. There's a few things that we got to go over, and some stuff in Raleigh going on. Everybody needs to stay on top of it. We're going to keep hunting. Before I go any further, I need to ask somebody to come up here. I'd like to get Mr. Pete Warren to come up here. He's been the president of Eastern ever since I've been a member of it. And since 2012, been here 12 years. And president of the Eastern Fox Hunter Association. And there ain't been many years of something he ain't been in Raleigh working for us, and he took his time to be there. To be sure,
Done got excited.
to be sure that we still have a way to keep running hands. And it's an honor and a good friend of mine to give him that.
I appreciate it a whole lot. Thank all of you. All of you contribute a whole lot. We got a lot of work ahead. We're still going to hang in there in the battle, and we'll find out shortly. Thank you.